everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper again. And today I have this wallet here and I'm going to show you this and then I'm going to explain to you a little bit about it and my other one here. I don't even know what brand it is or anything like that. There's the little label on it and I can't remember, but I bought a few of them. And so I've been using this one here. I bought a red one. I think this is red and there's my license. But yeah, a red one, and then I bought this black one. So I'm going to kind of compare them a little bit. And I bought them at the same time just because I wasn't sure if any of them were going to be good, and the first one ended up being really good. So I'm golden with that. But let's show you how this works here. Just putting some stuff down so it doesn't go. And so like if I compare it, it's almost the same thing. The little snap on this one here, you can see this one snap is very flat. The snap here has a little bit of a rounded edge. So and that clips like that. And this one here clips like, I guess it's like a magnet clip on this one. I don't know, it's hard to tell. But I'll put a link to this one here too. But so you can see it's got a snap on it, so it fits in the little Airtag. So let me get an Airtag out here. So got some Airtags. I'll use my trusty NDR7. I just used that one for a different review here. But let's check this out and see how it fits. So if I put it in, maybe facing this way, so I can have my NDR7 on the out, or I could go the other way and oops, stuff's going away. And if I really want, if I want the Apple logo thingy, that one there, like if I'm getting it from Amazon and it doesn't have my initials on it, I could put it that way. And you can see it's almost the same size as the circle there. But if you look at my red one here, you can see it's totally flush. It really goes right in there with that one. This one here is just a little bit of a space difference. So it's not exactly, well, I guess it would stretch out over time. So it's gonna stretch out and fill up that little hole too. So it'll be right in the right size. So it's kind of cool, so you can have it that way. And then when I was looking at the rest of it, I mean, where I have my license, I mean, you can kind of see my license is there. I mean, it fits in the same way, and I did try it out and put it in there. The one difference I noticed was the size. So this one here, you can kind of see it's got like just a teeny tiny little bit bigger, I guess. Not really much noticeable, but you can kind of see it sticks out a little bit from the back there. It's a little bit taller that way, and just maybe just a smidgen higher, but not much different from that. So yeah, it is a lot taller, I guess. So I like the smaller one, I guess, but for the most part, it's fine. I mean, it's a really negligible difference, but it fits. It's cool because you can fit, 3 credit cards in there, so I can put my handy dandy Visa card in there. Hopefully you didn't see all my numbers, but yeah, so it'll fit the cards in there like that, and you could fit, I mean, if this was my license, I could fit it in this side here, and then it's got the little thing here to slide it out easier, but I mean, it fits fine. So that, and then you put cards in here. On the top section, there's some spaces there and spaces there, and then I put the money in the middle. That's what I have over here. So if you look at mine here, you can see I put some cashola in the center, and then all my cards and stuff in the sides and everything like that. But it fits great. It's super nice and small. Like you look at these things, these are super thin. I mean, I love these things, so I'm sure when this one wears out, I'll be using this one, or probably my kids will end up stealing it and using it because these things are just so awesome. But I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. I don't think that barcode is going to do anything if you scan it or anything like that, but whatever. But I'll put a link to it so you can pick one up. And these are just super awesome. Love them. Thumbs up from me, and hopefully they're durable and last a long time. If not, I'm just going to keep buying them because it's so much more convenient. I even had some nice Louis Vuitton wallets and stuff before, I guess, until they come out with one that has a little nuggety on there. I'm not going to bother. But that's it. So links in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other things. Bye.